Hi, I am Hari Prasad. Today we discuss about physical and mechanical properties of polymers. Physical and mechanical properties of polymers. The physical and mechanical properties are depend 5 characters. One is molecular weight of polymers. Molecular weight of polymers. The second is degree of polymerization. The third is attractive force between the polymer chains. The fourth is structural arrangement. The fifth is presence or absence of bulky side groups. Bulky side group. The physical and mechanical properties depend on the 5 characters. One is polymer molecular weight. Second is degree of polymerization. Degree of polymerization means the polymer to contains more number of polymers. It have more degree of value. Attractive force. Some polymers have a high strength. That means in the polymer chain to contains number of monomer attached strong covalent bonds. The strong covalent bond strength, based on the bond strength, polymer physical property is changed. High strength, the physical property is high. In case the strength means bond strength. Attractive force means bond strength. The polymer bond strength, all bonds of monomer strength very high, it is very hard polymer substance. Next, some polymers have a different structures, linear, crossed, branched. Based on these structures, linear structures, low hardness character, low mechanical strength. Cross-linked, branched polymer structures have high mechanical strength. Some bulky groups to provide high strength, some bulky groups to decrease the strength. So, mechanical strength, hardness, physical property depend on the 5 characters. Degree of polymerization, molecular weight, high molecular weight, high strength, low molecular weight, low strength. Attractive force between the polymer. Attractive force means bond strength. High bond strength to produce high mechanical strength. Structures. Some structures low strength, some structures have a high strength. Bulky side groups present in the polymer chains to increase or decrease the mechanical properties. So, the mechanical properties. The first is physical state. First is physical state. Physical state means the physically the polymer substance 2 states. One is crystallinity, the second is amorphous. Crystallinity means like a sugar. Sugar is the crystallinity. Amorphous state means fine powder state. Some polymers have a amorphous state, some polymers have a crystallinity state. High crystallinity state of the polymer substance have more stability. Amorphous state of polymers have low mechanical strength. That is the physical state. Okay? Physical state means physically polymers have 2 states. One is crystal, second is amorphous. Crystal means the polymer particles have a crystallinity characters like a sugar, raw salt on taken the seawater. Amorphous state means a fine powder salt. The fine powder salt low mechanical strength. It is easily soluble. in your water. But raw salt cannot easily soluble in your water. That is called crystallinity amorphous. So high the crystallinity, strong mechanical strength. Stronger the secondary boiling and the polymer will be stronger and more brittle. High crystallinity character polymers have a stronger and more brittle. But amorphous nature of the polymers provide flexibility. Amorphous polymers. Okay? So amorphous polymers example is polystyrene, polymethyl, methacrylate, etc. Crystal polymers, polypropylene, nylon, Kevlar. That is the difference between amorphous and crystals. This is the crystalline regions, amorphous regions. So amorphous regions, low characters. That means easily soluble. Crystal nature, hardly soluble. The second is chemical resistant and solubility. Solubility means some polymer substance easily soluble, some compounds. Cannot soluble some solutions. That is called chemical resistance. For example, polymers have two types of characters. Polar polymers, non-polar polymers. Polar polymers easily soluble in polar solvent. Polar solvent. That is called solubility. Thus, same polar polymers cannot soluble non-polar solvent. Non-polar solvent. That is called chemical resistance. Polar polymers, polar molecules easily soluble polar solvent is called solubility. Same polar polymers cannot soluble in non-polar solvent. He is called chemical resistance. At the same time, non-polar molecules cannot soluble in polar. Same non-polar molecules soluble non-polar solvents. Okay, this is the chemical resistance and the solubility. Polymer contains polar groups, is more soluble in polar solvent like water, alcohol, but it is chemically resistant to non-polar. It is easily soluble, but it is cannot easily soluble. It is chemically resistant to non-polar solvents. So that is the chemical resistance. That is the solubility. Okay, like benzene, toluene, CCl4, etc. Similarly, non-polar groups containing polymers are chemically resistant to polar solvent. Non-polar resistant to polar. Okay, but they are soluble in the non-polar solvent. Non-polar soluble, polar soluble, non-polar chemical resistance, polar non-polar chemical resistance. Next, viscosity. Polymers have a high viscosity. The strength is increased. Why? Because the polymer chain is increased. The polymer chain is increased. The viscosity decreased. High molecular weight of polymers to increase the viscosity. more number of monomers are present in the polymer to increase the viscosity. Less number of monomers present in the polymer to decrease the viscosity. Lightweight molecule have low viscosity. High molecular weight of polymers have high viscosity. So, when the chain length of the polymer chain increased, the strength and toughness is also increased. Then the mobility of chain decrease. Low weight molecule easily moving. High molecular weight of polymers cannot easily move it. Okay. A 10-fold increase in the polymer chain length result in the 1000 times increase in viscosity. 10 times increase the chain to increase 1000 of viscosity range. That means number of molecules increase in the polymer chains and also increase the viscosity. In case the viscosity is high in the polymer, that polymer is called hard and strength toughness polymers. Next is plastic deformation. Plastic deformation means the number of plastic materials. Plastic is nothing but polymers. Plastic materials, in case apply the heat, they convert into soft. They convert into soft. It is called plastic deformation. The soft material also again it to convert into hard by apply the cooling temperature. That is called plasticity. That is called plasticity. Some polymers on the applications of heat and pressure, apply the heat and pressure, the polymers nothing but plastics become soft, melt, flow. It is converted to liquid state. Not correctly liquid, it is the fusel liquids by apply the heat and temperature in a plastic. Plastic is nothing but polymers. This property is called plasticity. On cooling, they retain their shapes. This property is called plastic deformation. How to convert it to soft by apply the heat? Cannot convert it to remaining material soft by apply the heat. In case apply the heat, remaining materials except plastic, there is damage. But plastic polymers, apply the heat, they convert into soft, melt, flow, fusel liquid. That is called plasticity. It is the plastic character. After flowing, there is reshape, remolding. Remolding by use of cooling process, they convert into hard materials. That is called plastic deformation. The plastic material is repeatedly forming. Reuse. That is called plastic deformation. So this plasticity and plastic deformation, some plastic are exhibited, some plastic cannot obey. For example, two types of plastics available, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic easily soft by apply the heat and easily hard cooling process. It is reshape, reuse, remolding. So thermoplastic obey the plastic deformation plasticity. But thermosetting plastic material cannot obey the plastic deformation. Why? Because thermosetting plastic cannot soft by apply the temperature and pressure. Cannot remold, cannot reshape. Once there is manufactured or solidified, it cannot remold, apply the any temperature and any pressure. So thermosetting plastic cannot obey the plasticity and the plastic deformation. Next is elasticity. Elastic character which material is exhibited, that is called elastomers. Some rubber materials or elastomers have a high elastic characters. Which material have a high elasticity? There is more stronger. High elastic character have a high tensile strength. More tensile strength. Where tensile strength means the elastic character of the polymers is the measure of its ability to recover the original shape after deformation of stress. In case they apply the stress on the material which is expanded due to the elastic property. After release the stress, the expanded material size retention convert into original position. That is called elastic. Cannot convert into original position, the elastic character is less. To convert into same original position, to release the press, it is called high elasticity. High elastic character of the polymer substance have more stronger. Okay. Okay, thank you.